I'm Anna Doherty. I am the Customs Practice Director at the Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade. I started my experience in international trade about 15 years ago, just starting in the sales admin and getting into the grips with exporting and all the technical requirements related to that. Since then, I moved through various companies, including working for a major UK manufacturer as an import and export manager, and since April 2023, I've been with the Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade. The biggest challenges in customs compliance that I see at the moment is perhaps the lack of deep understanding of some of the core concepts needed for the compliant international trade. This is both classification of your goods, determination of the origin, the rules of valuation. These are the three pillars that you need to understand before you trade internationally. On top of that, you have customs clearances, so whether this is using an intermediary or doing customs in-house, you are entering data that you're providing to HMRC. That needs to be correct, that needs to be compliant. This is the data that you're going to be verified on. And so an understanding of what does that entail is perhaps one of the biggest challenges that I see recently, especially in a post-Brexit environment. The Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade helps businesses operate internationally, both from the point of training and education, enabling development of the teams, helping businesses operate compliantly, making sure that they understand what are the requirements and what are the necessary steps that they need to take in order to be compliant. As well as that, we provide customs advisory services where we are able to help businesses navigate through the ever-changing customs landscape, everything from changing systems at the border through to regulatory updates and making sure that all of these changes that they can apply internally within their own business to remain compliant. At the Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade, we believe that the three pillars of customs are classification, origin and valuation. Without this, you don't understand where your product is coming from, what your product is, where is it going, and how you can ensure that you're providing the information to customs both at export and in the import country correctly. We help businesses understand the three core pillars of customs compliance. If you've been operating in a national trade environment and you suddenly received a brown envelope from HMRC wanting to come and audit you, whether that's on classification, origin, valuation, whether it's a full site audit, whether this is for your customs special procedures and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go, reach out to us. The Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade can help you, guide you through this. In addition, if you haven't yet been subject to a customs compliance check with HMRC, this is yet to come, and therefore get ready for it. Self-audit, and if you don't know how, reach out to us, we'll be able to help.